if you watch my videos, just to warn you guys, you might not want to go outside right away because there's thunder at my house. And if you live close to me, I can't tell you where I live. If like that house, if you see like any of like, if you see like, if you live next to like a white big mansion and like a wood like big house, yeah, if you live next to those houses, you live next to me. And at my house, it's gonna thunder and rain. I thought it was gonna be warm out all week, but it's not. So yeah, bye guys.